Before you get yourself started with cryptocurrencies, in this video I'm going to tell you 3 biggest factors you should follow to choose which cryptocurrency you should be investing in so that you do not fall for different cryptocurrency scams and different centralized cryptocurrency blockchain projects. In this video, I break up 3 different factors for you to get yourself started with a legit cryptocurrency. Number 1, so before you get yourself started with any cryptocurrency project, you must ensure that actually their blockchain cannot be manipulated. One of the biggest cryptocurrencies that is actually most trusted with a 100% decentralized blockchain is actually Bitcoin. Bitcoin's blockchain cannot actually be manipulated at any given point. So if you want to get yourself started with cryptocurrencies, ensure that the cryptocurrency you're actually going to invest in is not centralized. Their blockchain cannot be manipulated either by the founder or by the development team or actually by the wise community. So guys, let's look at the fiat money. Dollars can be manipulated, pounds can be manipulated, euros can be manipulated. You've also used some fake notes in your own countries, whether you're not using those top fiat currencies and you're actually using euros, yen, rupees, or any cryptocurrency. We've seen fake notes going around. So fiat money can be manipulated, fiat money can be faked, and actually that is the reason why we are turning away from fiat money to cryptocurrencies. So a blockchain like Bitcoin can actually not be manipulated. So if you are a newbie, the first thing I would actually want to tell you is invest with Bitcoin, not any other altcoin, because you are not sure yet of their blockchain and you are not very sure yet if their blockchains are actually 100% decentralized or actually 50% decentralized. So first thing to do not get yourself invest with centralized blockchains, rather get yourself started with decentralized crypto projects. Actually Bitcoin as your first priority because it is proved and everybody knows that Bitcoin's blockchain is actually decentralized and it's money for you, not anybody's, not even the CEO, not even the founder. Okay, so guys, if you are a newbie, do not get yourself started with shitty airdrops, shitty altcoins. Bitcoin should actually be your first priority because their blockchain is actually approved. In a case you cannot actually prove these kind of things, get a Bitcoinist, get a crypto technical personnel to actually tell you which blockchain is what, so that you can actually get yourself started with a right cryptocurrency project. So another factor for you to look at before you invest in any cryptocurrency is whether that particular cryptocurrency has got decentralized nodes or actually decentralized wallets for you, because one of the biggest factors in cryptocurrencies is actually where to keep your crypto assets, because this is your money. You got to keep it by yourself, not in an exchange, not in the company's owned wallet, not in anybody's actually account, but you have to keep your crypto assets within your own account, within your own wallet, or within your own node. So as you are actually getting yourself started with cryptocurrencies, you must know how to operate a wallet and find out if actually that wallet is decentralized. It's for you, because a wallet, a cryptocurrency wallet, should be for a person, not actually for the crypto project or actually for the crypto owners. Okay, so something to do with Bitcoins like my Ethereum wallets, these are 100% decentralized wallets and they belong to the people. You keep your private keys and that wallet is your personal responsibilities. So as you are getting yourself started with cryptocurrency investments, find out if that cryptocurrency actually has a decentralized wallet, if that wallet is actually safe for you to keep in your Bitcoins. Okay, because we've seen some people actually investing their money in different cryptocurrencies, but at the end of the day they are actually blocked out of their wallets, or actually they cannot access their wallets because they've actually gone against some crypto companies rules, and they've actually gone against some regulations of particular middlemen of particular wallets or anything. So before you get yourself investing with any cryptocurrency, find out what kind of wallet are they issuing out. Is it 100% decentralized? Will it be your wallet, or actually it will be their wallet and you will be risking your money, you'll be risking your investment? So find out about these wallets, and if it is really very necessary for you to actually invest in that cryptocurrency, because these are actually one of the facts, these are actually some of the factors that are actually going to show you if that particular cryptocurrency is a scam, is serious, is a shitcoin, or actually it's worth investing in. Another factor, guys, do not get yourself started with a cryptocurrency that is not bringing any technological value onto the community, or actually onto the cryptocurrency industry. Because let us look at the current situation. In the 90s, people used to store their music on radio cassettes, on TV cassettes. Apparently, people are actually storing their music on flash disks. Okay, people are actually storing their music on Spotify, and in the early 2000s actually people were storing their music on CDs, but CDs are also fading out, and actually Spotify, Flash, and other small devices, very small devices, are actually being introduced on board. So this is a technological growth. So what value, what technological growth is actually your cryptocurrency bringing on board? So that is one of the biggest factors you should actually be following. It shouldn't be any other crypto. You shouldn't be investing your money in a cryptocurrency because it's any other another cryptocurrency. No, there is nothing like another cryptocurrency. It should be actually bringing a solution, or actually a technological value, a technological upgrade according to the existing um, technology that is actually happening in that particular time. So if you get yourself investing with a cryptocurrency that is not bringing anything new on board, that is not bringing anything of an impact, any solution on board, then probably you're actually investing your money in a shitcoin. There are so many thousands and thousands of shitcoins on the market. Actually, the legit and technological cryptocurrencies that are actually bringing something new could actually be like 10 or 15 or 7, and the rest of them are actually other cryptocurrencies. They are actually simply trying and actually simply to make a living out of your own investment. So before you get yourself started with any cryptocurrency, have a look. What is it bringing on board? Is there any technological solution they are bringing? What has Bitcoin failed to do that actually these people are actually introducing? Is it worth it? Is it practical? Because actually these people tend to bring a technological solution that is actually not practical at all, and they claim they are actually going to solve this, but in one way or the other, actually that technological solution is impossible in that particular period according to the community standards and other factors. That solution is not actually applicable. So before you invest in a cryptocurrency, first look, is the solution they are bringing practical, or they are actually spreading fake news? It's the propaganda for us to invest. They get the money, and at the end of the day they actually fail to deliver. So before you get yourself investing with any cryptocurrency, look at a technological value, a solution that they are actually bringing on board. If it is practical, if it is actually sensible, and if it is actually worth it. Do not invest in a cryptocurrency just because it is any other. No, there's nothing like any other cryptocurrency. So For the starters, Bitcoin could be your solution. Very, very, very less risks, or actually completely no risks for you. But the moment you start investing in altcoins, you are a newcomer, you do not know any investmental factors, and you get yourself with so many altcoins, with so many airdrops, and then at the end of the day you might actually get yourself involved with scams. My name is Daniel Leinhardt, and I teach people how to get started with cryptocurrencies, stay away from scams, and this is what I read every single day to get myself updated and actually informative and some brains with cryptocurrencies. Bye for now, and let me see you very soon. Follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Daniel Leinhardt. This is Crypto Minutes.